Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about STEP Credit Card Review. The STEP Credit Card is a financial product designed primarily for teens and young adults to build credit safely. It's a secured, no-fee credit card that functions like a debit card but helps establish a credit history. Some of its pros are: first, no fees, no monthly overdraft or late fees. Second, it builds credit, reports to major credit bureaus. Next, no credit check, no hard inquiry or minimum credit score required. Next, you can earn rewards, offers cashback on certain purchases. And next is parental controls. Parents can oversee spending for teens under 18. Next is FDIC insured account. Funds are protected up to $250,000. And lastly is the instant transfers. Works with peer-to-peer payments like Venmo and Cash App. Now some of its cons are: first, limited credit growth. Since it's secured card, it may not offer the same long-term benefits as traditional credit cards. Next is, it requires a STEP account. User must open a STEP banking account. Next is, no traditional credit line. Spending is limited to the funds in your STEP account. And lastly is, limited features for adults. It is best suited for teens and young adults. Fewer perks for older users. Now, who should get it? First is the teens 13 to 17 years old and young adults looking to start building credit early. Next is for parents who want a safe way to teach their kids financial responsibility. Lastly, anyone new to credit card who wants a risk-free way to build a credit history. The STEP Credit Card is one of the best options for teens and young adults to build credit with zero risk. However, if you're an adult looking for a full-featured credit card, you may want to explore other options. And that's basically it.